Nitong nakaraang araw nga inamin na ni Doc Willie Ong sa kanyang followers kung saan niya posibleng nakuha ang sakit niyang cancer. Ayon kay Doc Willie, taong 2022 umano nagsimula ang lahat matapos nga daw itong tumakbo bilang Vice President ni Isko Moreno at doon na nga daw ito nakatanggap ng sangdamakmak na bash mula sa netizens. Hindi umano kinaya ni Doc ang pangbabash na inabot to the point daw na talagang dinibdib niya na daw ito. Dumating din daw sa punto na nakita na lang daw ito ni Doc Liza na nakahandusay sa kanilang CR dahil sa bigat ng nararamdaman. Narito panoorin ang video kung ano nga ba ang totoong nangyari kay Doc Willie Ong.
Doc Willie Ong nagka-cancer dahil sa bashers?
Binash nila ako ng binash. Sumaba sobrang loob ko. What did I do to you? Why do you hate me so much? I think I got all this pain from negative thoughts, negative emotion, from all the hurt, from all the bashing I got from the 2022 Vice Presidential campaign. I got so many bashing. If you pray for me, I think I will get well. If you keep on bashing me, I think I will die.
Sabi sa Bible sa James 3:5-6, ang dila ay parang apoy. Isang maliit na bahagi ng katawan pero napakalakas ng epekto. Pwedeng magdala ng kabutihan pero kapag hindi ginamit ng tama, pwedeng magdulot ng malaking kasamaan. Ang dila kapag hindi iningatan, kayang sirain ang buong buhay natin o buhay ng iba. Isipin mo, gaano karaming relasyon ang nasira dahil sa mga salitang hindi pinag-isipan? Gaano karaming pamilya ang nagkalayo dahil sa mga mapanakit na komento? Gaano karaming pangarap ang nawasak dahil sa pangiinsulto? Ganon kalakas ang kapangyarihan ng dila. Kaya nga sa Bible, itinuturing itong parang apoy na pwedeng magsimula ng sunog sa ating buhay. Kung hindi tayo mag-iingat sa paggamit ng dila, pwede nitong sirain hindi lang ang ibang tao kundi pati na rin ang ating mga sarili. Sabi si James, ang dila mismo ay set on fire by hell. Ibig sabihin kapag hindi natin to iningatan, pwede tayong maging instrumento ng kasamaan. Pero kung gagamitin ito ng tama, pwede tayong maging daluyan ng pagpapala. Isang mabuting salita, isang encouragement o isang papuri. Pwede itong magdala ng buhay at pag-asa sa ibang tao. Kaya napakahalaga po na kontrolin natin ang sinasabi natin. Piliin nating magsalita ng kabutihan. Kaya simula ngayon sana mag-ingat tayo sa mga salitang binibitiwan natin. Tandaan natin na ang dila ay may kapangyarihang sumira o bumuo. I-share ang video na to kung naniniwala ka na ang mga salita natin ay may lakas na magbago ng buhay. And for Doc Willie Ong and family, I speak life, healing, and comfort sa kalagayan nyo ngayon. God bless po.
Sana drama na lang to. Sana TV show na lang. All these foods, they taste like metal. This watermelon for you tastes ordinary, but for me, watermelon and dragon fruit for bowel movement. That is the correct process of healing. You should defecate, pass your bowels, and urinate every day. Get all the toxins out. You know what my doctor said. You can eat anything. You have cancer. You try to eat. Even if no taste, I try and try to eat. If I don't eat, I will die. These are my medicines. I will take it in front of you. My relatives do not want me to make this video, but I said, I owe it to the Filipino people to be honest to them. I owe it. Mahal na 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 mahal ko kayo po lahat. Bawat takbo ko para po sa inyo, hindi para sa akin. Unang campaign ko, wala akong gastos kahit na pangalawa, wala akong gastos, wala akong niloko, wala akong inaway. Anong ginawa nyo? Binash nila ako ng binash. Sumaba sobrang loob ko. Filipinos, love and cherish each other. Pray to the Blessed Virgin Mary. Pray to Padre Pio. Pray to the Lord Jesus Christ. Hindi po ako nagloloko. Hindi to bola-bola. Life and death to. Baka bukas patay na ako. If I live, I will live for you. I will live for every Juan de la Cruz. We need good people to run. Good people to run as senator, president, congressman, lahat. We should love the earth. No to mining. We should tax the correct people. Stop the corruption. Look, the Philippines is so rich. You politician, you bribe the people. You give them money to vote for you. You keep them stupid. You want them stupid. Take this. I was trying because they had the best health care. Our Filipinos have no health care. This is the new Doc Willie. Sorry for those watching. I have to do this. This is my mission. Live or die, I will be true to myself. The only reason to live is I love my daughter, Catherine. I want to live. I love Yen Yen. I love Jelly. I love Lisa. I love Ryan. I love Mark. I love all the nurses here. I also love all the politicians here. You are my friends. Di ba kaibigan tayo? Pero everything I do for you. Ako na pinakamalinis na ginagawa. Minababoy niyo pa ako. May isang basher nagsabi sa akin, Doc Willie, even if you run 10 times again and again, you will lose again and again and again. What did I do to you? Why do you hate me so much? What did I do? I never attacked Duterte. I never attacked PBM. I never attacked Larry. I never attacked Pico. I am nice to them. I interviewed them. Marami ako napapaniginipan kasi. I saw my mom who is died. My mom died. Nandun siya. Tinukuha na niya ako eh. All my 60 years old, I serve Filipino people. Lahat ng charity, all my charity work in Salamat Doc, in Makabayan Doctor, in doing charity work in Pasay Filipino Chinese for 25 years. You always give it to the Filipinos. Anyway, I will decide if I put out this video or not. Pero this is how I feel. If I do not put out this video, I will just die. The news will be, Doc Willie died one day. He did not tell his followers. He lied to his followers.